Yo, what is up, guys? Uh, Welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to share this screen and actually take a screenshot of this guy plus share it on social media. So if I'm going here to incremental, so mood graph screenshot plus share it on social media. So without no further ado, let's go to GitHub, and it's Uzual Mobile as usual. Please let me know if there is a problem, any problem with the audio quality. So go here, and I think that I should have it right. Share mood screen, which is super nice. Convert it into an issue. Okay, open a new thing here. Okay, is 14, yes, 14, share mood graph. Okay, so I have this neck which I've created like, I don't know, 29 days ago or so. I was just playing with take snapshot async, and I will be using it. Okay, but first let me go to this guy and add here a button. So in mood screen, to the heading, so I'll just create here a row. Oops. And row, and here I'll add a button. Okay. And okay, so this is working. I haven't run today, so the button is going to be share. We'll find a better stuff, but for now let's see. So button, actually, oops, this should be a body and a share, and it's looking ugly, and that's because I'm going to the body here. This has a theme button, so theme button. I'll just do default, okay, and no BG. Okay, so no BG, and I just have it share here and small height. So it's like small, so button, tiny, actually it's like 20 and tiny. Actually, okay, so why is this complaining? So it's installed. So margin top spacing, so no margin. So tiny, no margin. And I think that I should leave it as it is, right? Okay. So share it. And do I have align items? Flex align. Let's add right. Not sure if this is going to work because of course, so flex wrap justify content, so actually this is flex align, and I will also add here space between, and I will add here space between, and flex one, and flex align. I'll just add background color red to see why it's not working. Okay, and the button. Oh, because this is centered. Okay. And actually I'll do align self, I'll do theme flex align, and I'll do background color red, and here is right. Okay, so right. I'm doing here right. Weird. Yeah, so I think that, so no BG. If I'm doing right here, is working, but the problem is that this one, so the whole button. Oh, okay, so it's because of the width. So I'll do width is going to be 100%, and I'll remove the BG. If I'm not passing any width, it's going to be so 100. And I'll add here tiny. Yeah, tiny is too small. I'll add this. This is too much, right? I think that I'll add 26. Okay. But this one, the button, actually this one, it should be here, and it should be right. This one. I don't know exactly why this is not working, because it is primary. Let's see, is this working? I'm doing too many things here, so space between actually doesn't exist, so right. Okay, so no bg. Okay, so whenever this one is pressed, right, so on press, we would like to do a couple of things, right? So take snapshot. So take snapshot is going to do some things, and and here I would like to add a ref. So I'll just say here, so mode graph ref is going to be react create ref, and this is going to be mode graph here, and I'll just console log the mode graph, right? Am I actually streaming? Yes. So if I'm pressing share, it's going to why is this null? What if I'm going here? This is null. Okay. Cool. So I'll do mode graph ref, it's equal to null in the first place, and you can't do like this. I'll do like different way, right? I'll do here, this is taking ref, so this is equal to ref. Okay, this is null day mode. Oh, I'm retarded. Okay, so oh man, epic. Actually this one. Yo, mode graph. Okay, so it's actually this mode graph. Function. Not really. So do I need to move it here to const? Okay, so yeah, Okay. I need to pass something? No. I don't know how to use this. Create ref. Sorry folks, but I'll do mode graph ref like this. It might be retarded, it might not be. Okay, and here this is null in the first place. Cannot be given. Ref. Am I using somewhere create ref? No. React create ref React Native. Okay. Create ref. Okay. So field 1. Yeah, cool, but do I need to create the constructor here? Okay, so constructor props, super props, this mode graph ref, it's equal to react create ref. So okay. Actually, I don't. So not loading. I think that we're good. So I'll just do like this, and this one it's actually the mode graph. Now function component cannot be given ref. Okay. So forward ref. Let's see. React create for forward ref. Okay. So mode graph. Export default. I'll just do here and I'll export it here. Okay, so I'll actually move this part here along with this one, and I'll say so I'll say so mode graph it's equal to a function, but instead I'll do create forward ref, and this is going to also get the ref, right? And I'll export default mode graph. and I need to pass this here, right? Props and ref. So okay, so accepts 2 arguments. Okay, I don't care. So if I'm doing share now, this is how. Okay, cool. Another thing that I've learned so far, which is nice. Okay, so create ref. I'm creating it, I'm doing it. So I'll do here, I'll go to this neck and save to camera roll. So I'll just copy this stuff. But I'll do async here. And I'll do is busy, it's okay. This one is going to be from expo, so import from expo. So I'll do this mode graph ref. The height, do I have it? Nope. So this is going to be import dimensions from React Native, and I'll do here width and height dimensions get screen. Okay, and this is actually, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So I'll need image URI. So image URI, and it's busy. It's busy. Is loading. So I'll do here. Actually, this one I don't need it. Right. So I'll do state. Image URI is null and is loading is false. Cool. I'll remove this. And here, yes, makes sense. So here I'll import the image. So in render, I will do here on image. I will do, so source going to be this state, image URI, style is going to be width, and height is going to be height for now. And I'll also apply style sheet absolute fill. So style sheet absolute fill. I need an object, right? So if I'm taking a snapshot now, oh sorry, so this state image URI, if we have it, we should display it. Status bar, of course, So status bar, actually I'll do it differently, just one sec. So is this changed? Yes, has changed because expo is the K33 view shut, so this one was upgraded, right? And okay, thanks expo. Install it, and here I'll import this guy. So instead of applying this one, I'll use it here. And actually, let's see if the result, it's a file. Let's see. Bad option result should be temp file. Okay, and let me actually see the result here. So console log result. How is looking? So this should work, right? Oh. Oh man, URI. Okay. So now I have this, right? But my problem is, okay. So now my problem is that I need to create a context in the app. It's actually in the app, or so I want to hide everything but leave the share stuff. Okay, so I need to inform the okay, so I need to go to tab. Actually, I'll create here, right? Navigation. I've created this theme context. Oh, there is a theme context. Okay, but I can also create a new one, right? I'll export for now from here. So I'll say share context. Share context, I'll go to app. So the theme context, I'll say it here, but the app navigator is using the themed tab, so I'll import here the goes from config theme. I'll import the share context. So here I'll say theme context provider, and I'll say Actually, in the app. Yes, so I'll use it here. Okay, so I'll do like this, and I will say state is going to be is loading true, false, and here is loading. This state is loading and take snapshot, and this takes snapshot. Oops, it's going to be is loading true, state, which is by default false, and I will apply the state here. So this one, funny one. So if I'm just adding here 0, it's not going to be visible, but I need to actually hide it. So if I'm going to, who's using the themed tab bar, React navigation, hide tab bar. Okay. So I think that if I'm makes sense here. Okay. Okay, but I want to set it like dynamically. So navigation options. Okay, so navigation options. So habits and mood. What options I do have here? So can I just do what? I was searching for something previously. Yes. So brand saying so tab bar visible. I think it's here, right? So tab false, just for the sake of this demo. So it's false. Okay. But I want to set it dynamically, right? So I need to go somewhere. Navigation state. So this is actually an object, right? And it's receiving the navigation itself. So instead of returning directly, I'll do return this guy, right? And here I'll do log navigation. Okay. And this navigation, it's actually navigation state. Okay. So its mode index is transitioning, it's route. So what if I am actually, I know that I can do it like, what's wrong? Okay, I know what's wrong. But in the mode, I wanna just, when you press share, I wanna hide this and make a screenshot of the whole stuff. Hey man, hey Aman. Not so great. I just wanna dynamically hide the the tab bar. If you know a simple solution, or you can point me to, I don't know, a link. Basically, I wanna hide it after pressing on this button. That will be great. Okay. So if I'm going here, and instead of doing everything, I'll just return. Okay, and here I'll do console. Actually, this props navi. No. It's actually navigate. Is this props navigation? Okay. So I can set param, or I can do actions. Set params. Get screen props. Actually, I can do set params, and this set params is going to be is loading is true. So so I got it back here, which is super nice. So I'm retarded. I need to do this stuff, and here I should receive it, right? Oh man, this is great. This is great. So I don't actually need this guy. Wow. So it's like state, it's actually get param is loading, which is let's say false by default. Actually it's is loading, and our console log is loading. What I did here? Fuck. So it's loading false, but now it should be true. Nope. Oh, but it's not get param. Get param is navigation state. Why is not param? Get set get. Let's do state here. Console log this one. Okay. So params is undefined, but routes. Okay. Routes. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay. But why is this set params? Where I'm setting it? Can I do it actually? Actions, set params. Can I just emit stuff? No, it's not. So, oh, but it's like this. No, cannot find variable is loading, of course. This. Okay. So actually this is an object, right? So is loading true. Yeah, man, it's super annoying. But yeah, I'll figure it out. But I think that I can also emit, right? This props navigation, emit. So this navigation, so I can do navigation. Oh, navigation actions. Navigation actions. So I can params. Okay. Yeah, I'll just do like this. So I'll do here params is loading, which makes sense. But so I don't know if not, if params and is loading actually. If not params, I'll just do is loading false. So let is loading equals false. So if we have params and there is an is loading, I'll do okay. If we have nav params and nav params is loading, it's equal to nav params is loading. So here I'll do is loading. Is loading. Yes, that somehow that's right, but okay, I'll definitely check it out. So yeah, I think I was worried about these navigation options because it's, so if I'm doing in the mode, because I already have it here, right? So static navigation options, which yeah, I think that I can make it, but I want to just, I don't know, do uh, avoid doing this in the mode component itself. So it's true, it's working, but I don't really like this 0 here. So yeah, again, I can do here, right? So yeah, so navigation, and I can return stuff, right? So I'll return how it was, tab bar visible is loading. If it's not loading, it's visible, right? So just to see if it's really working. So it's working, okay. So this code, actually I could remove it and keep it like this. So save this, and here I will say now const is loading, because this is a static, I'll have navigation, and here I will do actually the same, right? So state params is loading. And navigation state params is loading, because maybe there are no params, I don't know. So if it's not loading, okay, makes sense. So this should work the same, right? Nope. So what if I'm doing here console log navigation state param, navigation state, and that's it. Okay, so navigation state params is loading through. Actually, I'll do like, because it might be undefined, right? I'm just lazy. And do here actually false. Let's see. I mean, it's not working, man. It's like, nah. How it was? Yeah, but this is not working. Here's a static. It's is loading. Stop bar visible. Is visible. And it's not loading. I don't know. I'll just, for me it's simpler to just go directly to the source. So here it's funny though, because it's not working, but either way. So I'll just leave it as it is here. Okay, I'll check it out, Aman. Thanks for sending it. So at least I have this working, which is super good. And what I would like to do next is to take the snapshot. Man, this is so... For how long? 55, 56. Feels wrong. So I would like to take a snapshot, right? So here I'm setting the params. I'm actually, I should set the params. But this one, it's actually taking, oh, okay. So if I'm setting the params, don't actually need, I do need this. Okay, and I wanna is loading false. I'll console log the result later, and which is okay. Okay, so if it's loading, so is loading. So if it's not loading, render header. Let's see. Yes, Aman, you are right, but the problem is that I'm already on this route, okay? So the problem is that I don't want to hide the tab bar based on a route. I just want to hide the tab bar when you're pressing a button, you know? So, and again, this guy here, like the home navigator navigation. So let me actually go to the stream and comment like directly there. On this example, this one it's actually directly in the stack navigator, or whatever navigator do you have there. So it's in our case is directly in the app navigator, right? As I have it here. Like I'm creating a stack navigator, and I could easily do like, I don't know, mood stack, how it is called, navigation options and whatever. It's the same stuff as you have here, but I'm just creating it right here. So it's almost the same. So I'm getting the same stuff. Actually, no, I've lost the internet connection. Yeah, maybe my wife, she's watching Netflix or stuff. I'm not sure, but yeah, the internet here in Czech Republic is somehow shaky. But yeah, it's like it's directly on the route. But I was trying to get it from the component itself. So this is still actually live streaming. Not sure. Okay. Cool. So at least this is working, okay? So let me go to this guy here, and here I'll return this, and I'll keep, so the whole wrapper should be the mood graph, right? Because I'm not interested in is loading. It's loading. Wait, create context with theme from mode. Oh yeah, sorry. So this one is returning. The problem is here. Is loading is from state. But I'm just console log render because setting the params is actually going to really trigger the render of the component. So I'm just assuming that when I'm pressing this button, it's actually re-rendered, right? It's rendered multiple times because of the There's like, because of the polling, it's re-rendered. So if I'm the state, it's here. So if I'm doing this, so it's loading, is loading. So there is no point in actually. So I'll do get params is loading, otherwise it's false, right? Const is loading, it's equal to this one, so I don't need the state, right? So if I'm then console log is loading, I'm not sure if actually this is going to work. Get params is not a function. What? I'm retarded. So get, oh, it's get param. I'm just trying. No, trying. So it's loading false, and now it should be true. Now it's false. So you see, it's actually working. So it took the screenshot, but actually I want to rely on the loading state because actually why I'm doing it, why I'm doing like this. So not is loading, this should be tab bar visible. So tab bar visible is true by default. So okay, and if I'm going to mode is loading, it's actually tab bar visible false, right? Plus is loading true. Actually, I don't care about the, yeah, it's loading true. Or do care to do the prop. I don't want to set state and also props because I'll trigger the re-render. So yeah, I'll do directly through props. So it's loading through. Okay. So I'm setting hidden, and I'll do here. So is loading false, and image URI is the result. And I'm not going to do anything else. If it's loading, and image URI, otherwise it's going to be null. So image URI is going to be image URI, and okay. So if I'm sharing this, everything should look okay. Oh wait, what? So it's tab bar visible. Okay, so tab bar visible. So tab bar visible. This is because, oh, okay. If I'm just returning here, this is Mutating. Fuck. Import console. Come on, man. So this is mutating. Oh, okay, so this is not actually working. Okay, it's here. Okay, so actually let me save it to camera roll. The problem is that I actually want to do cool stuff here. I know how to hack it. Bum bum bum. So if I'm going here, so this is tab bar visible. This is not actually working, right? So tab bar visible. I'll just console log here the nav params. So tab bar visible, it's false. I don't get it. Okay. The tab bar visible false, false. Boom, 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 boom. I think that I'll take a break. I just want to go outside for 5 minutes or so. So yeah, I'll be back. Keep in touch.